Hey guys, it's your boy EpicJamaican here again, and we're doing the Bean Boozled challenge. And I'm here with my friend Shane. The Bean Boozled challenge goes like this. We got a bunch of flavors, right? And all these flavors have different tastes. Some are bad, some are good. What's gonna happen is we're gonna blindfold each other. We're gonna be picking out a flavor. We don't know what we're gonna get, so it probably tastes really bad, yeah? Okay, so let's do it. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna guess what flavor we picked out, and we gotta tell each other what flavor it is. So I'm gonna tell you what flavors we got right here. We got Stinky Socks, Tutti Frutti, Lawn Chippings. We got some lime, rotten eggs, butter peach, canned dog food. Canned dog food, that's what this is right here. We got some chocolate pudding, that's what that is? Okay. We got some boogers. I say that's coconut. Okay.
Skunk spray and licorice.
Do this. If you want it.
What is this like, man? Rotten eggs or something, bro.
This thing got rotten eggs. Oh my god.
Ew, what was that?
Alright, it's my turn.
That was barf.
No, dog.
You got barf too, son.
No, dog.
Yes, dog. Okay.
Yo, that tastes like doo-doo. Straight up, that tastes like some doo-doo.
It's my turn, man. Oh, hold on. Alright.
You can take all the back.
I don't know.
You did good.
Yeah, kind of.
Hey.
What was it?
I don't know. Some green shit. You got some lime.
Oh, whatever.
Alright.
Tastes good to me.
Alright, right there.
It's gonna be good. Oh, okay, I got one for you. That's sticky socks, man. Oh,
Yo, that stink, that stink. Yo, I can't do this anymore, dog. Yo.
Let's go. It's my turn. That bird.
Here, I didn't put that shit in your mouth, dog.
Alright.
What's that?
Mmm.
Oh shit, this
That's
nigga
good,
got
man.
a good one. He got a good one.
It tastes like a peach. I think that was what it was.
Oh crap. It's my turn.
That was good. That was good.
Bro, you can't be picking and shit, dog. That's so unfair. Why is it that I get all the ones that taste bad?
You got skunk spray. That was good one. That was good. So how's that skunk spray taste? You know what I'm saying?
Hey, that shit stink.
Alright, slide forward. Okay. We got this. Ew, what was that? Oh, that was dog food. I could tell. Oh my gosh. That was nasty. That was just random. It was random.
Finally. I got something that tastes good.
Alright, give me this. It was good, man.
Finally, I got something that tastes good, y'all.
Alright.
Well, Jimmy.
Let me get some treats, man.
No, dog, you ain't getting no.
I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry.
Get some more dog food.
This is a good one. Okay.
Yo, I got some dog food, bro.
Dude, it really tastes like dog food, I swear. Whoever made these are really good. No, I'm picking it.
Oh shit.
Gotta mix it up a little bit. You know.
Give me something good.
Tricks are for kids. Okay. What was that, Brett? What was that?
No, this is bad. That was bad, man. I swear.
Oh, I think you got moldy cheese.
Huh?
I think you got moldy cheese. I don't know what I picked. I just mixed it up.
Oh man, what they made this out of doo-doo? You ready? Let's go. Which one was that? You got some rotten eggs? Yo, guys, if you try this thing, don't get the rotten eggs. That tastes like real doo-doo. Yeah. Yo, that tastes bad, bro. Gosh. Dude, you smell like rotten eggs.
You look like rotten eggs. Cover your mouth because your breath stinks.
Duh, it's your fault. Oh, that was actually really good. I love that.
I don't know. Butter pecan, Puerto Rican.
That's some butter peach, bro. Tastes like a gutter reach, yo.
Bleach. Alright, my turn. Slide.
Swag. That's sweet me. That's sweet me. Oh, you like it? Oh, you like it, bro?
I got boogers, man.
Yo, man, team boo.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, man.
Okay, let's go.
Mix it all up. Put the lime in the coconut.
Oh, mix it all. Hey, let's go. What the hell? What the hell did I get?
What is?
What is this?
Okay.
Hell no, man. What was that, dog?
Cool beans, yo.
Yo, this dude, he legit know all the plans.
Alright, let me get this right. Mama. You know this, bro. Tutti Frutti.
Oh shit, this is really good, man. Oh,
It tastes like bubblegum.
that's pretty cool.
Yep.
I don't even got no water.
Look at that. Whoever gets a bad one next is not cool.
Okay.
And I know I'm cool.
And this keeps on doodle.
Oh.
What am I getting two? That's all free. I need one, bro. Take one out.
Okay.
Okay, that was bad, man. That tastes like your.
You know what? I think I haven't gotten baby wipes, toothpaste, or Let's see, moldy egg or cheese.
It's gonna be weeks before I get this taste out my mouth.
Dude, I haven't got skunk.
True, we're not eating all this shit. I swear.
Compel the power.
What was that? Okay, you're legit faking it right now. We're just not.
Dude, no, that. I think it's still in my throat.
He was like this. Okay, my turn. My money, ha ha.
You're not supposed to look at the color. Ew. Let me just pour this out because oh.
That was so bad. That was so bad, like legit. That was like the worst flavor. They must have put a hidden flavor in there called shit. Alright, that was it for this week. Next week I'll have another video up. Stay tuned, subscribe. Trust me, right now I legit, if you kiss me, I taste like skunk, some toothpaste, and some barf.
Look, you guys should go buy this. Taste this. Tastes like
No, don't listen. That was horrible.
Tastes like
that was like
I don't get tired.
alright, yeah, okay, man.
Okay.
Subscribe and comment down below and make sure to tune in for my next video. One love.